Hello everyone. Hope you guys are fine. I have prepared another quiz on Indian art and culture. Please try to attempt this quiz in entirety. The answer and correct explanation of each question is provided at the end. Please go through the explanation so that you remember the terms and concepts in Indian art and culture in future for your forthcoming exams. Also, if you like the quiz, please subscribe to the channel, give the thumbs up to the quiz, and please share your feedback and your final score in the comment section. While attempting the quiz, if you don't know the answer directly, please try to attempt the question with the help of the elimination method. So try to eliminate the options one by one and so that you reach to the correct option. So let's start the quiz, guys. All the best. These are the instructions for the quiz. In total, there are 6 questions and a time limit of 30 seconds is provided to you to attempt each question. The questions, they check the basic knowledge of Indian art and culture module. And like the prelims, each question carries 2 marks. So that means if you answer the question correctly, you will get 2 marks. And for every incorrect answer, there will be the negative marking of 1/3, that means 0.67 marks. And please also keep your pen and paper handy so that you can calculate the score and you know what all questions you have answered correctly. So, all the best, guys. Let's start the quiz. If you have answered all the 6 questions correctly, that means your performance is excellent and you are going in the right direction. If 5 questions are answered correctly, the performance is very good. For 4 correct answers, the performance is good. For 3 correct answers, the performance is satisfactory and you have to work harder. And for 2 or 1 correct answer, that means you are able to answer correctly only 2 questions or 1 questions and rest of the questions are uh, answered incorrectly. That means you have to work really hard. Still there is time. Work hard on the module and I know you will come out with flying colors. Thanks for attempting the quiz. Here is an art and culture tip for you. The different style of temple architecture in India. So here in the figure, the 2 styles are shown. The Nagar style, which is the North Indian style of temple architecture with Shikhar. So Shikhar is the tower that you can see. So this tower is known as Shikhar in the Nagar style. And the second style shown in the figure is the Dravida style. So Dravida style of temple architecture, which prevails mainly in southern part of India. And here the tower you can see is in the pyramidal shape. So this is in the form of pyramid. And this tower is known as Viman. So in the Nagar style, the tower is in the form of curvilinear shape. So this curvilinear shape tower is known as Shikhar. And in the Dravida style, the pyramidal shape tower is known as Viman. So this was all in today's quiz. I hope you liked the quiz. Give the thumbs up to the quiz. Share your feedback and score in the comment section and please subscribe to the channel. All the best for upcoming prelims.